Hi, I am Aldo Ferretti and I am part of the Rina Digital team. At the end of March, thanks also to the great collaboration tools available, me and the digital team have been proud to successfully release the second major version of Optimum, our most important marine monitoring product. Also reaching the very important milestone of 200 remote installations on vessels. This simply means that despite of this emergency, the Optimum project was on track. And it still is. We are successfully monitoring approximately 200 vessels continuously and in real time, sending from them to our cloud a lot of very important data, which allow our customer to control their fleets, but also to optimize routes and consumptions. That is, we are helping them to be more efficient, cleaner, and ultimately to navigate in an increasingly sustainable